Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here as always. Okay, I'm happy to have you here. If you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. My name is Glory, and today I want to talk about how to balance your hormones, what to do to balance your hormones. In other words, this is exactly what I did, the things that I did to balance my hormone, because I had this particular issue, and this is how I balanced it to get pregnant faster, to stay more healthier. So that's what I want to share in this video. If you're interested, please keep watching. The first thing is for you to know if you really have a hormonal balance. If you have not watched my video on signs of hormonal imbalance, please go watch it. Because if you have these signs, the next thing is to confirm that you have a hormonal imbalance by going to the hospital and do a blood test. Confirm the hormones that you have high, low, or the hormones are not balanced. That's the first thing, to confirm what is happening with your hormones. Then the second thing is to take less sugar. If you are someone that likes to take sugar content foods and all those artificial sugar, just like me, that was my case initially before I found out. If you're someone like that, you need to look into what you eat, how much content of sugar they have, and all that. Because sugar is another thing that might just put your hormones in a different condition. Sugar will not even help you if you want to be a healthy person. That's just it. Another thing that you need to do to balance your hormone is to exercise your body. Lack of exercise might be the reason why you have a hormonal imbalance, and you might not know. Because exercise helps your body to eliminate waste products. It helps also to promote circulation in your body. Exercising your body is very important. Help your body to be up and doing, to fight whatever thing that is not needed in your body, to make sure that your body is in order, like your body is healthy and functions very well. So exercise as per se is very important for you, for someone that has hormonal imbalance. Another important way of balancing your hormone is to look into what you eat. This is very important. Like, what you eat matters when you have hormonal imbalance. This is what helps me. I reduced my intake of carbs and eat more of protein, vitamins, and all that. I eat more of fruits, nuts, and vegetables, and all that. It's balanced diet. The next is to manage stress. Like stress. De-stress yourself, okay? Do those things that you love, that you enjoy doing. Those things that will make you happy. Stay where you will be happy. Avoid stress at all. Like, stress is another big factor that contributes to hormonal imbalance. So reduce stress, do the things that will make you happy and stay happy. Since worrying will not help anything, it won't even solve anything. So it will be better if you be happy. Sleep is another way of balancing your hormones. If you want to balance your hormone, you really need to get adequate sleep, at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Because if you sleep, you're balancing your system and you're helping to balance your hormones. At least maybe if you are the type that has insomnia or a problem sleeping in the night, then drink a lot of water in the daytime. Avoid worrying. Then to help you in the night to sleep. Another thing that I did was to make sure that I stay away from toxins, like my environment, water that you drink, cream, even the cream that you use on your body, it should be chemical free. Those chemicals are not good for your body when you want to balance your hormones. Into the content, the chemicals they have, because those things bring toxins into your body. Since caffeine triggers the overproduction of adrenal gland in your system, so you need to reduce the intake of caffeine. If you're the type that drinks much alcohol, then stop and at least reduce it. Or coffee, reduce much of coffee if you want to balance your hormone, because another thing that triggers hormonal imbalance.